So you've seen the before on the pictures of this bathroom, and this is the finished one. We have the glass in with the built-in bench, some grab bars, curbless linear drain shower with just the nice screen, not even the return, because we have quite a depth, and this lovely squeegee will take care of all your glass cleaning needs. Takes few seconds and you don't even have to clean the glass at all. And so these are the grab bars in the corner, and here as for a shampoo. And this we have actually built-in bench, all tiled, but it rarely gets wet, like the water never makes that to this grout line here. And we'll say goodbye to this project with a detailed look at this area vent insert. So you can actually, instead of regular grill, you can have a just piece of tile running right through the pattern. So this was a really nice project, quite a transformation from before to after. So hope you enjoyed this little tour. Make sure you subscribe, you follow our adventures in other bathroom projects or whatever other projects we are working on, and see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.